MKFG stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm looking at Markforged Holding Corporation. 31% up is sick, and all I'm still looking to do is still keep taking things up after this crazy run up, because I'm aware, you know, we have the top of the range there, or that's just the high, I don't know, of the range. And what I'm not going to do after like these beautiful 31% increases in price is randomly buy and get involved. No. I mean, I would prefer a little pull down. Post market is a lot higher than expected, but yeah, I would prefer like a little pull down and then take shifts up. Other than that, everything else is just pure noise. So I'll mark down the thing here. All I'm doing in the meantime, I'm just waiting. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce, free access.